I'm originally from Mbise and I was born and bred in London, but it feels like I've never really let that dilute the fact that I love being Nigerian. I felt like we had a real equal balance of what it was to be an African woman and what it was to be an English woman together in London.
Imagine a girl growing up in South London in a home held together by a mother's hands and a mother's prayers. A girl who looked different, sounded different, and refused, absolutely refused, to be ordinary. Now imagine that same girl standing on the Broadway stage in New York, the most competitive theater district on earth, receiving a standing ovation that does not end. Now imagine the King of England placing a medal on her chest. That girl has 7 names, and 6 of those 7 names are Igbo. Her full name is Cynthia Erivo, Amarachukwu Uwezuoke Echimino Erivo. Her mother named her Chinasokwu, which means it is God who responds to our critics, and Onyedemanazo, which Cynthia herself translated as look forward. It doesn't matter what people say behind you. You cannot see that if you look forward. That is the thing that matters.
Names all together.
Okay, let's get...
It's beautiful.
Thank you very much.
But I don't want to, but please.
I'll say it. I'll do it for you. So it's Cynthia Chinasokwu Onyedemanazo Uwezuoke Amarachukwu Echimina Erivo. But there's like a confirmation name, Perpetua, in there as well.
So can you explain the origin of that and the history is tied to it?
They're all Igbo Nigerian names, and I really only know the translation for like 2 of them because maybe my memory is the worst. But my mother gave me, I think this is Chinasokwu, which is what it means, and yeah. So Chinasokwu is like God is always watching. As in like taking care, and Onyedemanazo, it's like, it's hard to translate exactly, but it's almost as if it's like you look forward. It doesn't matter what people are saying behind you because you can't see that. If you look forward, that's the thing that matters.
Yeah, goosebumps.
Yeah, that's what.
Is that not a reminder as you enter into the last few years of your life?
Yeah, you just keep that way. Whatever's going on behind you, whatever people will say behind you, doesn't matter. But what is in front of you is for you.
6 Igbo names, 6 promises spoken over a child before she could even speak. Her mother, Edith, was just 15 years old when the Nigerian Civil War broke out. Her home was devastated and the family fled to find safety. Like so many Igbo people of that generation, they lost ground, but they did not lose themselves. They arrived in Britain with little, but they carried everything that mattered. Language, spirit, and the quiet conviction that their children will go further than they ever could. Cynthia Onyedemanazo Erivo was born on the 8th of January 1987 in Stockwell, South London, the daughter of Igbo immigrants who arrived in Britain in the shadow of Nigeria's genocidal war against Ndi Igbo. Her mother, Edith, a dedicated nurse, built a home rooted in culture, discipline, and love. And in that home, a daughter discovered her voice. Cynthia began performing on stage at 11 years old. At 15, she was playing Juliet at the Young Vic. She studied music psychology at university before a director told her she was too good to sit in a classroom. She listened. She trained at the Royal Academy of Dramatic Arts, RADA, one of the most prestigious drama schools in the world, and then she went to work. Bringing her Igbo genius to bear, in 2015, Cynthia walked onto a Broadway stage in New York to play Sally in The Color Purple. Sally, a woman broken by poverty, abuse, and abandonment, who finds her voice and refuses to disappear. The role was not a coincidence, it was a mirror.
Let me come back when it's over! You know I love you and you still do this! No! I don't need... I'm beautiful.
In 2016, she won the Tony Award for the Best Leading Actress in a Musical. In 2017, she won the Grammy Award for the Best Musical Theatre Album for The Color Purple casting recording. Then came the Emmy. 3 of the 4 biggest entertainment awards in the world, won from a single role by an Igbo woman from South London, whose mother was a nurse. But Cynthia Erivo did not stop at theater. In 2019, she played Harriet Tubman, the American freedom fighter who led enslaved people to freedom through the Underground Railroad. She received 2 Academy Awards nominations, Best Actress and Best Original Song for stand-up. Think about that. 2 Oscar nominations from the same film. In 2021, she became Aretha Franklin in Genius Aretha. And in 2024, she became Elphaba in Wicked, a role the world watched. Her performance earned her another Academy Award nomination for the Best Actress, making her one of the most decorated performers of her generation. She once said of Elphaba, in quotes, "I understand what it feels like for people to expect less of you than you can give." Of course, she does. She grew up knowing the world would underestimate her, and she decided early that this was the world's problem, not hers. On the 19th of May, 2026, at Windsor Castle, Prince William placed a medal on her chest. Cynthia Erivo had been invested as a member of the Order of the British Empire for her services to music and drama. The daughter of Igbo refugees who fled Imo State, who fled a war that Britain sponsored, was now being honored by the British Crown. History has a sense of irony, and Cynthia Erivo has a sense of purpose. She did not change her voice. She did not dilute herself. She did not apologize for her intensity, her baldness, or her Africanness. She simply kept performing so powerfully that the world had no choice but to watch. Here, today, on Enuani Cultural Forum, we do not celebrate her because she is famous. We celebrate her because she is proof that the Igbo spirit, that thing in us that does not accept defeat, that carries its names like armor, that grows in foreign soil without losing its roots, that spirit is real. It is not mythology. It is not pride for its own sake. It is documented, awarded, and recognized by the world. 30 wins, over 100 nominations, a Tony, a Grammy, an Emmy, 3 Oscar nominations, and an MBE, all built on the foundation of an Igbo mother who gave her daughter 6 Igbo names, 6 blessings, before life could say otherwise. China Soku, God will always respond. Onye de mma n'azụ, look forward, keep going. No one will not be criticized. She did exactly that, and the whole world continued to watch, even unto this day. If you enjoyed watching this beautiful documentary celebrating the life and achievements of our sister, Onye de mma n'azụ, Cynthia Erivo, please hit the subscribe button. I will see you in my subsequent videos. My name, once again, is Prince Onwadenem Ngozi Chukwuka Fortune. Bye!